name is Flower, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my minimal go-to glam look. It's going to be super simple and just like cutesy looking, you know, not over the top. It's very good for like work, school, whatever. It's not going to take long. So let's hop right into the tutorial, okay? So I'm already like fresh faced. I already have moisturizer on. Well, I put moisturizer on probably about like 10 minutes ago. My hair is pulled back already. So let's hop right into primer. I'm going to be using the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Stick It to Pores primer. I've talked about this before. It's like a drugstore primer. I really like this. So I'm just going to go over my brows, go over my T-zone area because this area is a mess. Nose, under the eye. I'm sure I'm not doing this very cute either. My bad. Chin, and then around the mouth. Ooh, that kind of burn. Just did some hair removal right here. And oh, I probably should have waited. Ooh, that burned a little bit. All right, so let's go into brows because brows are very important. I'm going to be using my Manuel brow pencil in the blackest brown. I love this pencil. Oh my gosh, like it's so defined. It's like just very small, so you can get like right into your brows, you know, very detailed like. Then it has like a spoolie on the other end. Amazing. I recommend this brow product for sure. Alright, so I have a mirror right here, but I'm going to go into my compact mirror, and I'm not going to do anything fancy with my eyebrows. I'm just going to fill them in. So I like to start at the bottom and then just slightly fill them in with a very light hand. Bam. That's how I do my brows. I just fill them in its natural shape. And I really like dark brows too, so that's a personal preference. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, once you have your brows filled in, I normally don't do them like neat and stuff, like as you know, sometimes you might see other people do them very neat. They kind of look like pirate brows right now. I have always done it like this because I just like to clean it up with concealer. That's just what I do. So with that being said, I'm going to be using my Becca. This is Ultimate Coverage Concealing Cream in the shade Syrup, and it looks a little something like this. I like this for my brows. So I'm going to take my Sephora eyeliner and crease brush. This is the eyeliner part, this is the crease part right here. So I'm just going to take this part and I am going to clean up my eyebrows right underneath. And just make them look a little bit more neat and a little bit more crisp. And I feather the concealer out as much as possible. And then I take my Morphe M173 brush, and it's like a fluffy brush, a dense, thick, fluffy brush. Then I just blend out the concealer around the eyebrow. And it gives it that crisp look. You see like the difference? Okay, that's done. Next, I'm going to go into foundation. Normally I do eyes first and foundation, but since this look is like super simple, we're just going to go ahead and just go into the foundation now because I want that just to sit. So I'm going to be using my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade Macao. I'm in the shade Macao in all of their foundations. I really love Nars foundations. Like my favorite foundation is Nars the Luminous Weightless, this one, and then the Manuel Filter Finish foundation. Love, love, love. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and then just apply my foundation. I always like to start at the bottom of my face. I don't know why, but make sure your beauty blender is damped already, pre-wet. Oh, what am I trying to say? Make sure your beauty blender is damped, please. It makes a world of difference. Okay, this foundation is amazing. And I really don't need the rest of this, but I'm just going to apply it anyway because I do not want to waste nothing. So I'm just going to apply it over my acne scars for triple decker coverage. You feel me? Alright. So for the eyes, I'm going to prep them with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel. Ooh. Just a little bit. And I'm just prepping my eyes for eyeshadow and making sure my eyelids are like one even color. You know? Yeah, you know. So I'm taking my Morphe brush again, the M173 brush. I recommend this brush for creamy products. I love it. And I think you'll love it too. Voila. Magic. So I'm gonna go to my go-to palette. Oh my goodness, you guys see how rough this palette looks? This is my Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love this palette. Can you tell what my favorite colors are? Can you tell in the camera? Which ones I'm about to hit pan? These two right here, the burnt orange and then the orange soda. My go-to shades. So I'm going to be taking my, this is my Royal and Lang Nickel crease brush. It's like a fluffy brush. I'm going to go into burnt orange and then I'm just going to apply that in my crease. Very, very neutral. It kind of reminds me of the color Texture by MAC. If you are OG on my channel, you know like that was like my go-to. And then I switched to Saddle. So it's kind of like all like the same thing. It's like a crease color. Awesome. So I'm gonna go into the Soft Glam palette. I'm gonna be using the color Bronze. And this is very pretty, like deep brownish. It kind of looks like a little bit green to me. Color. And I'm just gonna place this over the lid. On, just pat to the inner corner all the way to the middle part of my eyelid, just like that. So we use this color in our crease right here, the burnt orange. So I'm going to be using Rustic right here, this like deeper brown color on the outer parts of my crease, and I'm going to be using my MAC 224 brush, the holy grail of all crease brushes. And then I'm just gonna place this color on the outer part of my lid. Simple. Okay, gonna do the other eye. Yeah, this is like a very soft look, oh my goodness. Okay, next we're going to line our eyes. I'm gonna be taking my NYX Matte liquid liner. I'm going to be doing this off camera because the way my mirror is set up, I gotta get in there. You guys won't be able to see me on the screen. So liner makes a world of difference. Next I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline Great Lash mascara in black. This is like a holy grail for my makeup kit, just to prep my lashes for falsies or just to wear in general. I don't know, I forever would love this mascara. I will forever probably buy this mascara. So next time for lashes, I'm going to be using my Ardell Wispie lashes. These are very natural for me. But still a little cute, you know. I don't really have natural long lashes like that, so you know, a little pair of Demi Wispies doesn't hurt to add a little flair. Add a little flair to your look. I'm going to be taking my favorite eyelash glue. It's called Star Glue. If you have not heard about it, I recommend you get it. I believe this is a Korean eyelash glue, but I get it at my local. Can this work with me? Ooh, child, please. Okay, I get it at my local beauty supply store, but this glue is amazing. It's amazing. All right. Let me ask this question because I be asking on Twitter and none of you guys really know what I'm talking about. Do any of you guys watch Terrace House? It's a Japanese show. It comes on Netflix. Let me know in the comment section below if you watch that show. I love that show. Love that show. It'll be nice to talk about it to people who watch it, because nobody I know watch that show. And it's a really good show. It's like a real world situation, but in Japan. And like strangers come together in like this house, they live together. They mostly all like, they're all trying to find like romance, but you know, they end up being like best friends and like lifetime friends, and people end up dating and all that stuff. So I'm a big fan of the show. See, it adds like a little like a little. That's what it adds. Okay, so let's go into concealer. I'm going to be using my Master Concealer in the shade Medium Deep by Maybelline. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand because it's like a little squeezable concealer. And I'm going to be applying this with my Morphe M173 brush. Again, I'm telling you guys, this brush is amazing. I'm really in the market for a new concealer, so if you have any recommendations, also let me know what your favorite concealer is. I think I really want to try the Cover FX Power Play concealer. I think I want to try that one for sure. Put a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my mouth, the dark areas, and then I'm going to blend with the Beauty Blender. Next, we're going to be using, we're going to be contouring the face. I'm going to be using my Manuel contour stick in the shade Tan. So it has a contour part and a highlighting part down here, which is super cute. I really like contour sticks like this. So I'm just going to add, make sure I contour my forehead, make sure I contour my nose, and then make sure I contour my double chin area. Shorty has one of those. Alright, I'm just going to blend out with my Beauty Blender. You want a nice gradient color. You guys already know, you know. Okay, next I'm going to be cleaning up the contour with my Rihanna, my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Caramel. Why that little piece of hair just had to get right there? Chill out. I really like doing this because it makes my contour look super crisp. And yeah, I just like it. Face is done. So next I'm going to be setting my under eye with the Midnight Banana Powder. I need to buy me some more because I am on my last leg of this stuff. At first I wasn't like a big fan of it. I said big fan. A big fan of it. And then like I grew to like it. Like to love it actually. So basically everywhere I put like concealer is where I put the setting powder. Just to set everything. You guys know. You know. You know. Alright. Alright, next I'm going to be setting my face. I'm going to be using my NC50 powder. Puff powder. And I'm just going to pack this. This just helps make everything super matte. I really like matte looks because I am like really oily like in my T-zone area and stuff like that. So I feel like matte looks look better on me. than dewy looks. I think I'll probably do like dewy in the winter time, like legit winter, but for now I'm a matte girl. Okay, then I'm going to be using a highlight. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Forever highlight in the, this is the Pro Light Fusion in the color number 2. I had a love-hate with this too, but I've grown to love this product as well. I'm going to be taking my Sigma SS 168 brush. It's like an angled like contour brush. You can see it's like raggedy. I'm just going to be placing this on top of my cheekbones, on my nose area. So last but not least, it's time for the lips. I'm gonna be taking my Manuel lip pencil in the shade Hazel. I need to find a pencil sharpener because it's low, but I can work with it. And it's like this very neutral brown. It's like a little bit lighter than MAC's Cork Lip Liner. And I'm going to be taking the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Nude Kate. And then on top of that, I'm going to be adding MAC's Oyster Grill lip gloss. Since the look is done, I'm going to say everything. I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Look Lock Up Setting Spray. It looks like this. Thank you guys so much for viewing the video. I really have fun doing this super easy, simple glam with you guys. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the garden on today. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. If you want to know like all the product names and brands and stuff that I use in this video, if I didn't mention it, make sure you check the description box down in the description box below here, below the video, okay? And if you have anything you want to ask me, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. You guys know I reply to you like that. And I just thank you for watching the video. I thank you for the view. It really means a lot to me. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.